Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert vertical arrow in Word document just like this. So let's get started. So first you need to click on the insert and then click on the shapes and pick the line arrow, and after that hold the shift key and drag the arrow, and after that right click and click on format shape, and here you can change the color of the arrow by clicking the color box and click the color of your choice. And also you can increase the width by clicking to 1 pt, 1.5 pt, and here you can increase or decrease the transparency level by sliding to the right or left side. And after that you need to click on the dash type. Here you can see that there is a small round dotted. Click on that. If you want to change it to the bigger square dotted, you can click on that. And again, long dashes. Here is the long dashes. And if you want to make it bigger, you need to hold the shift key again and move anywhere and move to the any place on the Word document. So if you think this video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.